Pwy yw'r un mwyaf chopsy ar y ca, ond fi'n teimlo fel felly ti yw'r edrych.
Bys am yn licio dweud fi, dwi'n cael dweud Elena.
I like a joke here and there, but when it comes to on the pitch, I'm stern, I'm aggressive, I'm loud. I'm Lynn Cole, I'm 18 and I play for AFC Bournemouth and Wales and I'm a midfielder.
Ania, dwi'n 18 oed a dwi'n chwarae fyny top. Da ni un step i ffwrdd, really. Mae'r coaches yn helpu ni a mae'r chwaraewyr o gwmpas ni hefyd yn helpu ni pwysio.
Pa fath o chwaraewr i ti? Felly mae'r black eye gives it away.
Wy'n un gair o'nach caled, weithiau dwi'n cael ei ddisgrifio fel wal. Caddy Rogers, dwi'n dod o lle bach, a nhw'n llwy'n gorau. Dwi'n chwarae centre-back a 18 oed ydw i.
So my name's Annie Curtis, I'm 18, I'm a centre midfielder and I play for Cheltenham. We've grown up together as footballers but also as people, we're just the best of friends and I think when you're on a team together, that shows that we are that tight.
Mae tournament UEFA, ni'n grŵp A ar ôl blwyddyn diwetha, so ni wedi aros yn grŵp A. So ni dechrau gyda'r gêm yn erbyn Finland, a wedyn Turkey, a wedyn dyn ni efo Ffrainc.
The week has gone really good so far. Obviously, got France coming up, but I thought we played excellently against Finland. We worked hard, from minute 1 to minute 90 or however long we played. I thought we were absolutely brilliant.
Pan oedd y gol geidwad cael ei gyrru ffwrdd o'r cae, oedd hi'n mwy anodd, ond nathon ni cadw'n dim yn tan y hanner amser, a wedyn nathon ni newid siap.
So ni wedi gallu colli penna ni ar ôl cael yr cerdyn coch, ond dwi'n meddwl ni dangos bod ni'n sticio fel tîm a nath ni weithio'n galad ddim just i defendio ond hefyd i trio mynd am y gol fyd. Dwi'n meddwl mae hynna'n dangos yr cymeriad sydd genna ni.
With the first result we were getting settled into the tournament. Obviously a draw is a good result, but we knew we wanted more.
Going into the game, we knew we kind of had to win and we knew Turkey had to win as well. We kind of still needed 3 points to mentally prepare us for the French game as well.
So ni'n probably chwarae gorau yn y hanner gyntaf, oeddwn ni'n trio fforsio'r passes yn bach gormod. A wedyn ni setlo yn ail hanner i fod yn onest ar ôl y gol gen Turkey.
When the goal went in, it's a bit of a fluky one, but our heads didn't drop because we know that together we can get back. We got 1, we got 2, we knew we could get more, so we fought till the end.
3 points, 3 goals, so dwi'n meddwl sy'n wedi gofyn am byd gwell.
Maen nhw'n un o'r rhai gorau yn Ewrop, falle yn y byd. Nath nhw cyrraedd y Euros final blwyddyn diwetha o dan 19. Felly, maen nhw'n mynd i fod yn anodd.
Pan chwaraewn ni'n gêm diwetha yn Llanelli, mond 1-0 oedd a bys ni wedi gallu ddwyn y gêm, dwi'n meddwl.
Da ni fod talent, da ni'n gweithio galad fel tîm, so byd y stopio ni rhag trio curo hefyd.
Mae cael Gwen a Scala yn nôl yn y window yma yn rhywbeth mawr. Maen nhw'n dod â bach o safon, maen nhw'n gwybod beth sy'n dod efo'r tîm gyntaf, felly maen nhw'n role models dda i'r ferched o dan 19 i dangos bod o gallu cael ei wneud.
Dwi'n hoffi'r ffaith bod yna players fatha yr ei ifanc, Mari Griffiths a Gwen a Tegan a falle wedi cael cyfle i fyny hwnna. Dwi'n meddwl am bod fi'n gallu relatio efo nhw ar hyn o bryd, dwi'n meddwl a nhw di'r arwr.
Going forward, that's something we want to be a part of. We've seen Mared go and do it, so yeah, she's a big idol for us.
Few of us have gone up, then I think when we come back, it's like we take those learnings from the seniors and bring them here. The level is insane. So you have us, and we're good footballers, and then you go up and you're thinking, wow, they were amazing. They were such good role models, teaching you everything. On the pitch, they'll tell you, "Oh, Elena, do this because it'll help." Brilliant role models, and I really enjoyed it.
Pwy yn y tîm cynta ti'n really edrych lan ato?
Dwi'n centre-back, so o'rach Hayley Ladd, dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n meddwl pan nes i fyny, oedd hi mwy midfielder, ond just yn weld i chwarae, oedd o'n really helpu fi.
I'm an aggressive player. I want to get stuck into challenges and do combinations, play forward, drive. I want to be like Jess Fishlock, I want to play like her.
I'd probably say Sophie Ingle. She was the captain for 10 years plus, was it? I'd just like to be like her one day, captain in the country. The older you get, the more serious you have to take things on and off pitch, knowing a time and a place. And it's probably the best thing that's happened in my footballing journey is to captain your country. Little girls think about that every single day, and it's a massive privilege.
Ni wedi cael wythnos positif iawn, mae'r ancyniadau. O'n i'n meddwl byddwn ni'n mlaen i ennill gobeithio, gathen nhw red card, tîm ni gymeryd pethau fel money advantage, ond jyst na ffodus fi credu. Na wario teg i am ni cwrdd tîm mlaen, sgorio gol, wario teg i hi, ond frustrating iawn yn amlwg, ond Ffrainc maen nhw'n gwlad enfawr, Ond ni wedi dangos, dwi'n meddwl, bod ni yn gallu cystadlu gyda nhw, jyst yn amlwg yn lwcus gyda'r canlyniad.